Hey, welcome back. So, today we're going for the range test video of my one, okay, in the ride mode, truly in the ride mode. So, this video will be everything about it, uh, how we ride and everything. So, just for the disclaimers, this is my simple one, okay, the dual battery setup, okay, and in today's video, we'll be doing the ride mode range test, okay, and my average speed I will keep around 50 to 60, okay. So I had kept the bike overnight for charging and it's fully charged. I'll add the screenshot of the starting range, okay, from the app. And now I will remove the charger and get ready to leave. Unplug the charger. I'll show you the battery percentage. Okay, as you can see, we are completely at 100% of charge and 190 kilometers is projected. Now I will reset trip A to 0 so that we can check. Okay, so now I will leave, okay, and we'll go towards 50 kilometers from my home to and fro to check how much is the range do we get in the ride mode. Okay, in the ride mode it's showing 135 kilometers at 100% of charge. Starting my journey, and I will update on every 10% of battery drop. So 99, it's at 99%. Okay, just left from my home, and yeah, average speed will be 50 to 60. So based on that, yep, let's move and let's see till where we can go for 50 kilometers. So one thing I wanted to inform or to confirm with you all is that whenever we charge our bike to 100%, okay, does for your bike as well? If it does this, then let me know. Okay, whenever I charge my bike 100%, okay, for some duration like around 2-3 kilometers, it won't the regeneration or the regen won't turn on. Okay, so it's sort of disabled for few of 2-3 kilometers. Okay, when I completely charged my bike, okay, this I have noticed almost all the times when I have fully charged my bike. So yeah, okay, also another thing, I will make this video with Hindi as well as English. Okay, so there are many comments बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि हिंदी में भी बोलो. Okay, तो ये भी हिंदी में भी कर दूंगा. Okay, I'll make it both. So let me know अगर ये आपको भी होता है तो. Simple one owners, do comment below. Okay, so the first 10% drop is done. Okay, we are at 90% of battery, and let me focus. Okay, and I've completed a distance of 16 kilometers and the range projected is 122. So if you add it up, it comes up to 138, which if we compare to the beginning stats when we first began at 100%, वो था 135 kilometers at 100%. but अभी अगर हम लोग ने मैथ किया, it comes up to 138, which means we have gained 3 more kilometers. Okay, so here all the factors will come in hand, like the regen, your riding style, like all those factors. If you are using the throttle again and again and again, or if you're just keeping the throttle at one position, all these factors do come in handy. Okay, and also agar incline hai, that also will affect. So yeah, now let's see till how much we can gain kilometers. So let's go. So now we have drained another 10% of battery, so we're at 80, projecting a range of 108. We've covered a distance of 34. Okay, if we do the math, it comes up to 142. तो अगर देखा जाए तो हम लोग ने अब तक 7 किलोमीटर्स का गेन किया है. And yeah, currently I am in Mapsa, heading towards inside Mapsa. Let's see what we find. Sneak peek. और 10% बैटरी ड्रॉप हुई है, तो देख सकते हो 70% पे हो गया। एंड मैंने डिस्टेंस जो कवर किया है वो 47 किलोमीटर। सो अगर हम लोग मैथ करें 97 + 47 कम्स अप टू 144। वो 500 मीटर मैंने नहीं किया है कंसिडर, तो देखते हैं। अभी मैं घर वापस जा रहा हूँ, सो सेम डिस्टेंस पे जाएंगे एंड देन देखेंगे कितना बैटरी बचता है, कितना बैटरी यूज़ होता है, कितना रेंज मिलता है हम लोग को। Okay, so another 10% of battery drop, and now you can see we are at 60% of battery, and total distance covered is 61. Okay, and remaining distance is 84. So if you do the math, तो वो आता है 144. So अभी देखते हैं, my house is another 30 kilometers from here. So we'll see how much percentage battery remains and how much kilometer it projects. So stay tuned. Half century. Okay, so 50% battery is consumed, and we have covered a distance of 75. So projected range is 72. If you do the math, it comes up to 147. Okay. And average speed over here, you can say it's 36. Now this average speed is basically like now I have stopped, right? From there till the top mode, and then it will calculate and get. Okay, but the average speed which I am riding is around 55. Okay, so yeah, 50% is consumed. Now one more thing is the sonic mode has been disabled. Okay, only it's available till dash. It gets disabled at 60%. And in another drop of 15%, dash will also get disabled, and we'll be able to only ride in eco and ride. But then ride also, what will happen when we go below 45, the torque of the ride mode will reduce. Okay, but we'll be able to reach the speed of 55, 60, 69, 70. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and check. Okay, torque update. We are at 44%, and dash mode has been disabled, as you can see, and the main battery is at 24, and now the ride mode's torque has been reduced. Okay, so yeah, now it's reduced, so we will continue with this talk only. And just a range update. Range update, 40% battery, and we have covered a distance of 86 kilometers, and it's projecting a range of 62. So yeah, 144 is the total, and it's now started to rain. Okay, so the last 37% battery remaining, and now it has switched to the portable battery. The main battery has been switched over to portable. I got the notification, and but I am still able to ride in the ride mode. So next we'll see 59 kilometers projected, 89 kilometers traveled. So let's see how well we reach. As you can see, it started raining. Okay, and now we are at 30% of battery. Okay, the indicator has become red, and we have consumed so much of portable battery. 97 kilometers in the trip and 54, so which is around 151 kilometers if we add it up. अभी देखते हैं, 150 किलोमीटर अभी दिखा रहा है अगर कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो अभी जाते हैं ऐसे सीधे, and then we'll take a turn towards home. So waiting at the railway crossing, waiting for the train to come. Okay, now if you see, I've covered exact 100 kilometers, and battery is at 49 kilometers projected. And yeah, so if you do the math, it's 150. So yep, let's see. Now my house is around 20 kilometers from here, so then we'll check what. Yes, so our trip is over. We have reached home, and the total distance which we have covered is 113. Okay, and the remaining battery is at 19%. projecting a range of 33 kilometers. So you can see the main and the portable battery percentage as well. Now if we just do the math here, 113 plus 33, it's 146, which is 11 kilometers more than what was predicted. So yeah, this was it, and hope this video was very useful. Okay, and I am very sure that the remaining 33 kilometers, 30 kilometers तो मेरे को वो आराम से दे देगा. Okay, 30 kilometers it will go very easily, and yeah, uh, I'm very confident about that. Now also one thing that many few people are commenting on my videos that कि नहीं मिल रही range, and then few are saying कि ये fraud है. I understand few concerns uh, like some of your parts are not they're not coming quickly from the company, and it's not always like that. Few dealers are like that who don't pay much attention to what to the customers. So yeah, and then there's this few comments saying that ki, never believe these YouTubers, they are paid actors, they do paid promotion, never believe them. So it was you understand the context, okay? But I'm here. I'm just a owner who's just trying to convey my views about the van to the other owners, how it is useful, how you can do the tips and tricks and everything. Okay, each and every detail. People are saying कि ये तो paid है. Me here, who's not getting anything.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
Hope this video was very helpful to you all, and one thing which I can conclude myself is I can go to the office twice windas, okay, with the ride mode, okay, and yeah, I will reach with this speed with this remaining battery. So hope this video was very useful. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and keep the bell notified so you all know when my new video comes up, and keep following for such more car, bike, DIYs and EV related content. Till then, see you in the next one.